told me to bring you. Question is why? I'm looking for a car. A car? Hey, pal, you can't get any further away from landing out here. Exactly where I want to be. Well, I got news for you, buddy. There's nobody out here but us. What are you doing out here? What does it look like, genius? I'm driving. Well, turn around and go back where you came from. Yeah, and who's gonna make me? All right, don't get your prop in a twist. What a jerk. Sorry, buddy. Looks like it's the end of the line. Right?